Samran guys, I hope all you good, understand. Today I'm first comment about MT, the way you feel to a ghosting a corner, I ghost, understand. MT, the way maneuver a corner, you will never see the guy until as a rich corner. So, memamele podcast but until the smoke kwinqubo pha kwi-channel kaMark G, you understand, but kunenqubo bathi pha until the smoke, you understand. So inqubo rana uThixo nomnye umfana lo mendimazi uactela lento le adult ngamazi lapha yana ke yabo, but kangixolanga kakhulu ke lapho, just nje ngixele about MT. And what I've realized, what I've learned from MT is a real nigga, like it's a real artist and it's a real person. Akanasikhathi sama filter, akanasikhathi sokubukeka njani like indaba ibeki njalo nje. For example, wabeka ukuthi na umuntu ongathemba abantu kalula.
As well. Bro, I don't know if I'm remembering wrong, but at some point you were wearing a vest. You were wearing a bulletproof vest, right?
Yeah.
Because of the lack of trust, right?
Yeah.
So have you dealt with that? Or Manando?
Was that a real bulletproof vest? Did it have plates in it?
Was it for swag?
Plates in it?
Yeah.
Oh, hey,
So the level of trust, I get that because of that moment. But now, have you dealt with anybody's death ever?
Nah.
I don't trust a soul.
You don't trust a single soul?
Yeah.
And which like make ibeka indaba yakhe yabona ukuthi ngumuntu oselimele kakhulu elinyazwa ngabantu, and lento le right, and buya athi eyakhe trust ubuyi awuyitholi nje kanjalo, which like it's a good move, you understand, as a human being, you understand. Kumele bekhona umuntu othembekayo kuwe in order ukuthi ukwazi ukumthemba lo muntu loyo. Abantu mabayi trust yakho, musa just unike nje abantu trust bo lonto, which like is one of the things like yangibamba like yangithi, you understand, because I'm one of those, you understand. So okunye akhulume ngako lapha yana ukuthi umfazi wakhe actually ex-wife yakhe ayifuni ukusayina ama divorce papers.
So are you officially divorced?
She doesn't want to sign the paper.
Understand, bebembuza and uyathi ukuthi actually umfazi wakhe or ex-wife yakhe uyibona as a devil because of into azenzile ku-MT, abuser physically, ukumshaya, emotional, yonke that kind of abuse, and nobe report amaphoyisa and amaphoyisa awanandaba nalo nto leyo.
A lot of men are abused in their relationship.
The law is for the female.
I don't know if men are okay with being vulnerable because I feel like the response they're gonna get is always tricky.
Like man up.
Yeah, man up or how or buzz okay.
I wouldn't say, but have you tried to be like, you know what?
No one listens to me.
Which bafisi yabonisa ukuthi kahle kahle as abantu besilisa thina system I support 100% just because of maybe izinto ezenziwa ngabanye abantu besilisa, but sesifela izinto esingazenzanga thina yibona nto le. I feel sad MT make chaza lapha ya ukuthi abanandaba naye nje yena yibona nto le, which like it's a sad part and izwile lapha yana.
You said you're in a new relationship. How long has that relationship been going?
2 weeks.
New love, bro.
Yeah.
So are you officially divorced?
She doesn't want to sign the paper.
Because khona ngoba ikhiphile I think uNandi intombi yakhona ethi intombi yakhe igama lengoba bathi ibuya. It's a nice song, you can go and listen to it. And usho umamele like neverse kaMT la aphe khuma khona about ibaby mama yakhe imbuphise twice, you understand, because the podcast I mentioned onto le.
We do the section at the end where you basically tell us what the tea is for the week, like whether you had any problems or anything you want to give light to, whether positive or negative. Whether it's your new singles, your new whatever it is, you know, just let us know what your smoke for the week is.
My smoke is super positive. I just released a project and I have a song called Good Times out with this legend.
Yes, it dropped tonight. As you're watching this,
yeah,
go stream this shit.
And it's just good to have him back doing his thing. Yeah, and it's good to be back myself doing my thing. Yeah,
Tabzi, it's so good to have you back.
Thank you.
We had a song on my album.
I know, I love
and
that
it was
song.
so fucking
what a beautiful deep cut.
dope. And then, you know, life happened, but I'm glad you're back. I'm back. MC, what's your smoke for the week?
I just got released.
Fresh out, nigga. Fresh out.
Fresh out, like a fresh cut.
Yabo wazathiwa nebhili ngange 2K or 1K because now he was not sure about that, you understand.
How much was bail?
1,000 rand.
It wasn't 2.5.
1,000 on the thing on the.
Well,
Or did you have to pay Jojo?
nah.
If you paid Chocho, you wouldn't be in there.
I'm MT.
Yo.
So, but how much? But how much was the bill? How much was the bill?
2K, 1K.
Yeah, I know it's like 2K, somewhere there, 100%. Yeah, 100%.
So what's your smoke?
He just got released. That's his smoke. He got released.
That it?
Just got released.
Yeah.
I'm working with Topsy.
Yeah.
Yes, new single out tonight. The new
You and
EP
the boys.
or the album with the boys.
Yeah.
The
Boys?
Trap Temptations.
Oh, yeah,
Beautiful.
yeah.
I spoke about it earlier.
Trap Temptations is out.
Mm.
Yeah, man.
One question: when you got released on bail, did you go to court the next day, or is the court pending
Yeah, I went to court the next day.
the next day?
Yeah.
And what did they say?
I wasn't listening.
Did they give you another court date? Like, yo, we're postponing it. They gave you another court date, nah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This nigga's wild.
I wasn't listening.
Yeah, no.
So guys, it's very sad ukubona amajita asegamini edlula kunto abadlula kuzo, especially ama-artist wethu, you understand? Especially MT, guys. MT is one of the best trapper that we have in South Africa, understand? And kumele simsupport by any means, because guys, as abantu besilisa kumele sifundeni ukuthola abantu besifazane and usiphi isikhathi for ukufunda umuntu wesifazane, ungavele uzinikele umuntu wesifazane just because uyamthanda, you understand? Because abantu besifazane abanye bathunyelwa empilweni yakho just to destroy your life, you understand? So it needs you as a man ukuthi uhlale phansi. Mawuhlala phansi ukwazi ukuthi usete yonke into accordingly, you understand? Because if like uzoba umuntu wesilisa ugijimisa izibuni amabele yonke le nto leyo izokhosta kusasa or ubuhle, it's gonna cost you, especially masokhona izingane, uyayibona into leyo. They can use that kids or those kids ukuthi bakutraphe ngazo, or they ruin your life through those kids, you understand? Because abanye abantu besifazane baze ebomini bakho just to get something out of you, abazange ebomini bakho because bekuthanda. So it's very wise as a man choose umuntu wesifazane kahle through i-character yomuntu wesifazane, umfuni umuntu wesifazane. Take your time, ungajahi ukushada, you understand? Take your time to read umuntu ofuna uba ku-relationship nabantu besifazane benze the same. In that way uzokwazi uba nomshado right, healthy, you understand? Because it's very important to have a healthy family, a healthy marriage. In that way nokucabanga ekhaya usheshe ugijime ufike ekhaya, ungabi kulo muntu lo ukuthi manje ugcina sojika emall because usabe ekhaya because ekhaya ku-toxic, umfazi ayikho right or indoda ayikho right. Nah, that's not a good space for you, especially uma uyi-creative. I-creative idinga peace where uzokwazi ukucreate even more music, you understand? Or more art or whatever that you create, you understand? So guys, it's very important. And then if you need a foot lapayana futhi ebaluleke kakhulu la podcast whereby MT khumbulo ekhuluma ukuthi ejela khumnandi.
I wasn't listening.
Yeah, guys, yo, this is South Africa. Like, yo, I've been through it too.
It's
I've been
hard
through it too. This is South
in
Africa. Also, yeah, whatever.
It's hard in there, bro.
100%. 100%. BU, what's your smoke?
I don't have smoke.
And even I mentioned ukuthi they must free Ushebe Shit, because like he once been there and they felt he would know it's not nice there, you understand? And truly speaking, like MT like is one of the artists mina ngimbona as inspirational like kule era sikuyo, you understand? Because vele kunto ezininzi, I understand? Even like Tseho mentioned something ukuthi this world is it's a hell on earth, you understand? Which like is true. Much like emhlabeni guys, asizelanga ukuzonethezeka or sophila kamnandi lana sofixa amaphutho bazali bethu okhokho bethu, you understand? So mawufixa amaphutha, you're gonna be a threat to the system, you're gonna be a threat to imimoya engahlambulukanga, you're gonna be a threat to abantu abangahlambulukanga, and those people they're gonna make sure ukuthi uphila life engekho mnandi, you understand? Because you are a threat, you understand? So that's why abanye abantu bathi ingulo, you understand? Mabonto zomoya bathi ingulo leyo. Ingulo like into ukuthi manje ikuvisa ubuhlungu enyameni but yakuphilisa emoyeni, you understand? That's a true calling, You understand? So angingengxela kakhulu lapho, but that interview bafethu is very healthy and is very educational. If like ngumuntu othanda ukufunda, ngumuntu like othanda like a depth when it's come to conversation, you can go and listen to that interview. It's a good interview, trust me, it's a good interview. Actually, it was not an interview, it was a conversation of the artist, you understand, which I love that, you understand. And okunye okubalulekile bafethu laphayana ngokufundile ukuthini bafethu ukuthi musani ukudla izidakamizwa just because udlula through izinto odlula kuze ebomini bakho, you understand. No,
Griff is a weird thing. I don't think you ever
Why you
get
think
over
I
it.
get so high?
Ooh,
Why you think I get so high?
damn.
I would like to say I know why you get high, right? But I feel like, when I got high and I was a drug addict, I don't think I did it because I was in pain, to tell you the truth. I don't think I get high to numb the pain. Maybe you're right, because maybe it's small pains, because I get home, I'm stressed, I want to get high, right? I'm broke, whatever. Hey, this bill, get high, numb it, 100%. But I don't feel like my addiction was because I was dealing with someone's death. Not to say that it can't happen, but that's where now I need to understand. Now this is where I have to agree with BU, where it's like, if you're gonna get high to numb the pain, why don't you just deal with the pain? Why don't you just talk about the pain? Why don't you go to therapy?
Fortunately, I don't smoke no more.
Okay, shout out.
How long has it been?
I don't simply.
Okay.
It's been a couple days. I won't lie.
Yeah, I can take a 2-week break at this point. I've trained myself enough that I can take a 2-week break. And I started on this show.
Really? Oh yeah, I remember that.
Yeah.
So why don't you just go to therapy? Why don't you just invest in it? Why?
You're scared or something, ish? Like you don't want to look at yourself in the mirror properly or what?
There's a song where I say, we got guns. We don't need therapy.
Got guns, we don't need therapy. That's macho. That's manly. That's bravado.
Break down that because for me,
Yeah, that's
dark.
a bar. So give us that dog bar.
That
What is
for me screams suicide.
Yeah.
Bro,
You get what I'm saying?
YOLO, my nigga.
100%. But it doesn't mean you must break yourself down so much into suffering just for the sake of YOLO. It doesn't mean I must suffer for the sake of YOLO. I feel like it's like going to gym. We love going to the club. Yeah, we love going to the club, but you feel like shit afterwards. Yeah. You get what I'm saying? You go through a depression, even with drugs. For me, the depression was worse after. You know what I mean? It was worse after. So what is so bad about therapy? And for me, this is a touchy subject because Ricky, I used to tell Ricky, go to therapy, dog. I would be in the club and I'd be like, Rick, please, let's go to therapy. I'll hook you up. I'll go with you, whatever. And he was like, nope.
I got guns.
No, he didn't say I got guns. But he was just like, nope.
Yeah.
He was like, nah. It's like, nah, I just don't want to. And in hindsight, when I look back at it, I was like, damn, that nigga made his decision a long time ago.
He made it a long time
Also,
ago.
you also
But now you're scaring me when you say that.
Yeah.
musanwenza lonto leyo, you understand. Ma umuntu ufunda ukubhekana ney'nkinga zakho and ufunde futhi ukudilishana nazo iy'nkinga zakho, in that way lento leyo izokusiza ukuthi kusasa ukwazi uthatha iy'nqumo ezi-right ngobomi bakho and ukwazi u-accomplish into ekumele uzu-accomplish, because abantu abaningi, guys, they always use izidakamizwa to run away from ama-challenges and pains, and into zihlezi khona. And one of the thing MTK ayitshile laphayana ukuthi is one of the things ezimenza ukuthi aphuze kakhulu, aphuze kakhulu ilini and then abheme kakhulu izoli, and uthi ilini like uyiphuza like I think 15 years, and then into leyo yemdamage ukuthi abe umuntu ashlule ngakhona and weed and all those things. Guys, you don't need such thing to destroy your life, man. You don't need such things, you understand. Asithi enjoy but be responsible kahle, you understand. Don't overdose things, guys, you understand. Abaphuza alcohol kahle. Alcohol in a limit. Don't push uze manje uzichamela or uzigagele. No, guys, come on, you understand. So it's one of those things like emeni isifunde lezo yabo, about being a creative. Yabona uma umuntu creative or uma umuntu oyi-creator or uma ungumuntu nje oyi-artist, you're gonna have anxiety, depression because of your gift. That's a gift. The gift injalo overwhelm, I understand. So more overwhelmed, get something to keep you busy than alcohol or than weed or drugs, you understand. There's a lot of things we can do and keep us busy. At least alcohol, go to alcohol when you are happy and celebrating something, you understand. Not too much nakhona yabo. I'm trying to balance your life, guys, la yabo. Ngamava nami ngawaphiwa inkosi amakhosi omoya baba uZilezo, understand, which is my spiritual father, is my savior and is my guide, I understand. So one of those words angithola kuye like amazwi, like ingcibiso, amazwi futhi inhlakanipho, you understand, ukuthi uma umuntu uhlakanipha ukwazi ubalance bomi, you understand. Ungabe ngumuntu ophila for the sake of ukuphila, you understand, because we are in this earth uzofulfill purpose. We are in this earth ukuzoyenza into ezinkulu, you understand, to break those cases emindenini yethu, you understand. But it's not easy, you understand. You're gonna go through a lot ebomini bakho in order to break those cases, you understand. That is why ubona MT esula kanje. That is why ubona MT real ngale ndlela real ngayo, is because there is something in him that is driving him ukuthi afike la ekhona, which I love him about that, you understand, because he's a true nigga bafethu. And we keeping a track futhi no Taps, yangithola good time, best song, R&B song, you understand. Go and stream it, guys. It's out iphumile bafethu, yangithola the Trap Temptation, yangithola best album, yangithola 3 goats in one song, in one album, you understand. The Saudi, Java and MT bafethu was produced by Raf, you understand. Iphumile bafethu, ngicela bafethu nivaya bafethu no stream bafethu, support amajita bafethu, because what they are doing, yangithola kwelinye izinga kulinqanaba bafethu, yayibona leyo nto leyo. So I truly love ukubona South African industry ikhula ngale ndlela ekhula ngayo and iba ngale ndlela eba ngayo manje, because it shows ukuthi bafethu khona la siyakhona and there's something big that is coming South Africa, ngithola. And South Africa nayibona na iqualifyile, ngithola na shaye imix iland South Korea bafethu. Congratulations to the boys, I understand. We're very happy, guys. So ningakhomenta bafethu ninje nicabangana about itrack ekhitshwe uNandi no MT ibuya, and then nicomment ninje nicabangana about Taps and Good Times by MT and Tapsy, and then ninje nicabangana bafethu nge-Trap Temptation uSjava uSaudi MT yangithola ubaphokelayo uRaf yangithola. Ninje nicabangana ninje futhi if nibukela i-podcast nicabangana la podcast like nifundiseni nina. Drop the comment, guys. I understand si engage siboneni ukuthi sathi sibeke kuphi, why are saving cases out kancane bafethu.